Hello, students. I'm your English teacher once again with you, and today I'm going to explain you the another chapter of your honeycomb book, and the name of the chapter is Expert Detectives. Detectives means spy. What is the objective of this chapter? To make you understand that English is an easy subject, to encourage you to speak up, to motivate you to make inferences and judgments, to make you understand that expertise can take them miles, to make you understand that a sense of curiosity is nature's original school of एजुकेशन क्यूरियोसिटी यानी जिज्ञासा हमेशा आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते होंगे ये क्यों है कैसे है ये कौन है ये क्या करते हैं इन दिस चैप्टर यू विल कम टू नो बाय द story of two children that how much curious they are and what they thought about one person. Expert detectives. Characters of the story is Nishad and the nickname of Nishad is Seven. Maya. Maya and Nishad both are brothers and sister. Mr. Nath, Mr. Mehta, Ramesh and a Sunday visitor. Investigation. And what is the topic of this chapter is Nishad and Maya, both the children suspected Mr. Nath, and especially Maya thought that Mr. Nath is a criminal. What both the children were investigating, whether Mr. Nath was a criminal or not. Who's Mr. Nath? Nishad. Mr. Nath is a poor man starving for food. Maya. No, Mr. Nath is a criminal. Both brother and sister having different point of view about Mr. Nath. Nishad thought, oh no, Mr. Nath is a poor starving man. Starving मतलब hungry man who is dying of hunger. कि एक वो बेचारे से व्यक्ति है जो भूख से मर रहे हैं. लेकिन माया सोचती है नो मिस्टर नाथ इज अ क्रिमिनल वो एक क्रिमिनल है क्रुक है. Nishad happens to get into Mr. Nath's room. Once, Nishad got the opportunity to meet with Mr. Nath in his room and entered in his room. Nishad gives a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath's hand because he thinks that Mr. Nath was starving. Starving means dying of hunger. One day, Nishad met Mr. Nath and he gave a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath because he thought that Mr. Nath is dying of hunger. Maya asked Nishad whether he got a chance to peep into Mr. Nath's trunk. Maya knows very well that in Mr. Nath's house there is a trunk. Trunk means in the picture you can notice one Gladstone like. Okay, so Maya asked in a curious manner to Nishad, oh, do you notice the trunk in the house of Mr. Nath? Because Maya believed that Mr. Nath hid a lot of wealth in that trunk because it is the belief of Maya that Mr. Nath having hidden wealth inside that trunk. Strange about Mr. Nath's Sunday. There is one thing very strange about Mr. Nath, and that is the routine of Sunday. A visitor always comes to meet Mr. Nath every Sunday. Every Sunday, what happens? A same Sunday visitor used to meet and used to come Mr. Nath's home. The visitor talks a lot, but Mr. Nath speaks very less. The Sunday visitor always speaks a lot, but Mr. Nath always listens that Sunday visitor and speaks very less. The visitor always takes lunch with Mr. Nath, and at the time of afternoon, always in the Sunday, that visitor takes lunch with Mr. Nath. An unexpected holiday. One day, Maya and Nishad get unexpected holiday. Unexpected मतलब जिसकी कि उन्होंने अपेक्षा ही नहीं की थी. एक ऐसा उनको holiday मिलता है. Maya and Nishad get an unexpected holiday because there was continuous rain last night. Last night there was continuous means incessant rain, and because of that, the next day it was declared a rainy day. The roads were totally flooded and blocked, so the transportation transportation was not going on, and because of that, Maya and Nishad get an unexpected rainy day holiday. What Mr. Nath eats? Mr. Nath takes two meals every morning and evening. He takes 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. And always he orders the same meal, two chapatis, some dal, and any seasonal vegetable. He pays in cash and always give good tips to Ramesh. Now, summing up, it is the summary of this chapter. Thus, the lesson ends without getting a true conclusion about Mr. Nath. Means ultimately, Nishad and Maya both having their different point of view, and in the chapter, we don't come to know that who is right and who is wrong. Both Nishad and Maya oppose each other on the nature of Mr. Nath. Maya still feels Mr. Nath is a criminal, whereas Nishad feels he is a poor man. Thank you, students. I hope that you understand this chapter. Take care of yourself. If you like this chapter, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Bye bye.